Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna make. Today I'm not gonna make any requirement analysis today because as I told you in my last video, when we made a video about requirement analysis of TH Ingolstadt, I made it clear that next 3 video or 4 video will be 2 video. Now what we are gonna recording is for how to apply for TUM in the TUM online website after getting a VPD from VPD application. That is also video is out. You can just go and check how to apply for VPD for TUM. So now we have all documents that TUM needs and also VPD from UniAssist though. So I will show you how to apply for TUM online website. Then in upcoming videos, I will also show you how to apply for TH Ingolstadt, the VPD to get TH Ingolstadt, and also how to apply for it. So this is the videos planned for next upcoming days. And also if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also please share this video with the people who are in need so that they can learn from this, how to apply, how to analyze the college, how to look for the requirement, when is the application deadline, when the college is opening, how to apply and everything. So here we cover everything. So if you have any doubts also please put a comment, or if you need any more consultation on one-on-one, then there are also booking portals where you can book sessions with me. And also I have one good feedback I would say to give, that one of a student, I would say, I don't say it's my student, but I got a mail from someone that he got an admission in one of the colleges which we have made in our videos. So he saw our video and also applied through our guidance, so he got an admission already. So it's a good news that our videos are helping and reaching people who are in need so that people can apply from themselves. So please forward these videos to people in need, so yeah, they can also get help on it. So without delay, let's get started. As I told you, we have already made 4 videos, I would say, no, 3 videos already on this particular TUM application, where we just gone through the course requirement analysis and also 2 videos for how and requirements for VPD. Now this is the requirement analysis page that we gone through, and here is the Information Engineering Technical University of Munich and requirement and registration. So here you have 2 links that they have told, and they said first you have to apply in VPD for in UniAssist, and also then come to TUM application, TUM account, online account, and how apply here after getting a VPD. And then we already made a video on VPD, how to apply, and also I am thinking that you guys have a VPD in your hand so that you can look for this college and apply now. So now we will go through this website of TUM. Now we are in their main account or main application website where we have to apply. Now at first step, we don't have already an account created, so we have to click on registration and account, and we will register, and I will fill all details here and I will show you how to fill it. So now we have made so now we filled in all requirement details in order to create an account. So here I just gave my family name, my first name, and also place date of birth, place of birth, and which nationality that we have, and also you have to give your email address. So after giving all mandatory details, you can click on create an account for me. Then as soon as they create an account, then you know the drill, they will send us the credential to our email address that we have given. So we will wait for the email to appear, then I will use the same. So now we received the email from them. So your login details for TUM. So here you can just see the identification or username will be our email address, and password is the dummy password that they have given. So we will give our username as our email address, and also we will give the password that they have given for us. We have posted, and you can click on login or announce. As soon as you click on login or announce, they will pop up one more thing where you will also check for the change in password. You can use the same password, but it will expire in 7 days, so you have to click on change and password. So here you can just select any of the password which you like. So I will select which password I want, so then we can use the same password for future references. Now you can click on save. So after clicking save, our new password is changed, so we know the password. So and they have mentioned, so critical activities will take place soon, so during this unavailability. So this is on November 19th, so we are November 17th today. So when people are applying for November 19th on the day, so please look after, there is a maintenance going on from 7 o'clock to 7:40, which is only 40 minutes, but yeah, it's good that they have mentioned. So you are read and accepted, then you can click on continue. Now we have our name and our email ID which we have registered. So now we can start applying for our desired course. Then you can click on application. So here in the application, we are going for start of semester, which will be summer semester 2025, and there are already people who are interested in winter semester 2025. They can also start applying, but the best thing that we made video on is summer semester 2025, and also VPD we have is summer semester 2025. Now you can click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, then you will get a type studies that you're gonna pursue for summer semester 2025. The type of studies that we're gonna pursue is master's program. In the master program, we are looking for Master of Science. So can you tell me which degree program we made it? So if you don't know, then I quickly also go through it, so it will be new for me. So Information Engineering is the one which we made for requirement analysis, and the course location is in Heilbronn. So you can go for our degree program and look for Information Engineering main location Heilbronn. This is the one that we made requirement analysis, and this is how we made it VPD. So there is an entrance semester which will be first aptitude assessment. So there you will have a assessment. The entrance semester is the semester in which you start continuous studying the subject. If you are new student or wish to apply for master courses, please select the first semester. You can only apply for a higher semester if you have already studied in university in previous grade have recognized. So this means if you are studied like 1 or 2 semester in some other college as informatics, then you are applying here for higher semester. But as of now, we are only applying for first time, so it will be first semester. Then formal studies will be second degree or consecutive master degree. Usually if you are watching my videos from longer time, then you know which option to select. Here we have to select our consecutive master degree. So because usually it will have first degree, so first degree option is not there. So you can also look for what is consecutive master degree. A course with content according to the course and examination regulation generally do not exceed a total standard period of time of 5 years until the master degree is acquired. Then the master course can be continue with the subject discipline of the bachelor degree. This is what we are applying for, because we are not supposed to apply for second degree. If you are applying for second degree, then your first degree has to be completed in German already, but that is not our case because we are doing it for first time. That's the reason we have to click on consecutive master degree. Then here you can just click on all details that they have asked, then you can click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, then you can just check for personal details, fill in what are the details that you are missing. If not, then you can click on continue, because we are already made it everything. Then you can also give some corresponding address. So here you have to give your corresponding address of India. So I will take some time and give some dummy details, then you will know how to do it. Now I have filled some dummy details, but you can fill your corresponding address. So you have to fill in your corresponding address of your home in India. So after moving here, when you get an admission, then you can log in into your portal, then you can change your address wherever you are staying in Germany. But now while applying, you have to give your corresponding address as your Indian address. Then you can click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, the mail address will be permanent, home address will be same, so you don't need to fill again. Then you can click on continue. If they are asking place is mandatory, then so here we missed it, so we have to click on my corresponding address will be same as permanent address. So then you can click on continue, then you don't need to fill in anything.